Sa pagkakataong ito, makakausap natin si San Juan City Congresswoman Isabel Zamora, kaugnay pa rin ng impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Magandang gabi po, Congressman Zamora, at welcome back po sa
Hi.
Arangkada Balita.
Yeah, hi. Good evening po, Ms. Nina and Sir Jack. It's good to be back and good evening po sa lahat ng tagapakinig po ninyo.
Yes, Congressman Zamora, last year na-interview namin kayo kasi nga part kayo dapat ng prosecution team kung natuloy yung impeachment po last year. Pero ngayon po, mukhang
correct.
panibagong roster po ang magiging composition po nito. Paano ho ang selection process po?
Well, I will leave it to Chair Jinky and the House leadership to choose kung sino ang tingin nila na karapat-dapat maging prosecutors, but a few of us have been invited, like myself, since I was part of the prosecution last year.
Opo. Pagbobotohan po ba ito or i-assign po kayo?
Actually, we are elected in plenary. Like last year, sasabihin po na may motion to elect po yung 11-member team.
So 11 members lang po ang pwede na mapasali, no? Sa inyong hanay, dyan sa prosecution team.
Yun po kasi ang nakalagay sa rules that the prosecutors will be 11.
And how do you, is it like you have to say it na gusto ko maging part ng prosecution team o kailangan someone should nominate you? How does it go?
Well, it can really be informal. Like last year po, we were invited. So I guess this year also, I believe that the Chair Jinky and the House leadership are talking to each other and considering kung sino po yung pwedeng isali. So of course, they will choose among the lawyers in Congress.
And ano po
Although, I have to mention po, no, hindi requirement na maging lawyer.
Oo nga.
Sa totoo lang po.
Yes, so nabanggit sa atin yan ni, I think, Congressman Ridon yesterday na hindi nga kailangan lawyer, no? Not necessarily. Pero kumbaga, Congresswoman, no? Ano to, naka-assign sa inyo yung bawat articles of impeachment and alam ko meron din mga private prosecutors. Ano po yung magiging papel po nila?
Yes. For ease and for, syempre, for focus, we are assigned specific articles. Last year po, there were 7 articles, so we were assigned 2 or 3 each so that we can focus on those. So ngayon din po, ganun din ang gagawin natin.
And sa Lunes po, ano pong inaasahan po natin dyan sa Kongreso?
So on Monday, meron po tayong meeting ng Committee on Justice where we will vote on the committee report. Proseso po to ng bawat committee. When we have a resolution and a report, all members have to vote on it bago po papunta sa plenaryo.
Okay. Maraming salamat, San Juan City Representative Isabel Zamora.
Okay, thank you very much po.